You know why I'm doing this, right? I'm sorry. Hmm. Hmm. Huh? Oh, there you go, little one. Why did you take me? Oh, did you have a mom? No. Well, then I took you to get a new home. I was watching the whole time. Oh, look, there he is now. Furry? Yup. Good luck. Wait, you're leaving me? There you go. I made this to show that I've been on YouTube for 2 years. My video has been private for a long time, so that's why they say like 8 months ago, and some videos are still private that I will never post because, yeah. And this is 2 years on YouTube, and yeah. Bye until the next video.